Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a ruler, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a line down and a line to the right. A line down again and a line to the right. Now draw two round eyes inside with a circle and another smaller circle, a curve, here too, inside with lines, and the mouth. Now draw the lines, just following with me. Draw the hands, and a heart shape here. Now we have a cute ruler. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.